Today we're taking a hike on the Flint Creek Power Plant Eagle Watch Nature Trail, and it was built by Boy Scout Troop 34. It's here in Gentry, Arkansas, and I will drop a link to the GPS coordinates on that. So come on along and see what Peepaw and I see on this nature trail. Say that Don Maples probably had a big part into why this is actually here, because this is right along the Flint Creek Power Plant. It's close to that. You can see too that the local schools get involved with doing butterfly gardens, and it's working because here's some butterflies flying around. This one's built by the middle school. This one's by the intermediate level school. Look at all the butterflies, they're all over the place. Now let's see what we see. We're making a little part that we'll put in the movie that Memaws does about this, and tonight we'll look and see what we can, unless we get into a shady spot.
You make movies?
Yes, I do, on YouTube. This is a really short trail. I think it's like about a half a mile, and so far it's like really accessible looking to me, because it's got nice paved surface. This is pretty hard packed. I don't think anybody would have a problem being able to access this and get out a little bit into the outdoors. I think that is a bee house, maybe. I'm not really sure. What's really nice, and you guys will have seen this when I did the Booker T. Washington Trail, you guys will have seen that I like it when they have the labels for trees. And this one is called a wahoo. I haven't heard of that kind of a tree. I'm going to look it up. Euonymus atropurpuris is what that looks like for the Latin. So I'm going to try to get a little more information and add that in. I think this is a bluebird box, but what is so interesting is, look at the mud daubers nests that are built all over the side of it. This is another one I've never heard of, a serviceberry. Now things are pretty dry here right now, so it could be that, you know, they're losing leaves already because of that, because the tree looks okay. But I'm going to look up a serviceberry, and I'll put some more information along that. Or if you guys know information about either one of those two types of trees, drop that in the comments. I've never seen them before or heard of them. You can see that this goes from sun to shade, sun to shade. So if you're going to spend any extended time here, you better wear some sunscreen. And another one I have not heard of, Possum Haw viburnum. It looks almost more like a shrub than a tree. If you guys know something about that, drop it in the comments, but I'll also look for some more information too. And this place also is recognized by the Audubon Society as a part of a global network for bird conservation too. This is really nice. They've got like a marsh here that backs up to like a creek, and this is one observation tower that you can go to, and then there's observation platform that you can go to, and then there's this one
This is my back. That's what I'm doing.
as well.
Get my back this morning.
There's
So that's really nice where you can come and look at different things around the creek. These are some of the birds that you can see here at Eagle Watch. These are some of the butterflies you can see at Eagle Watch. If you come here, be sure to fill out a registration form because it helps them with their project. And they're pretty thorough because if you look here, they have their list of the bird sightings. And they've got some information about the bald eagle. Researchers that are looking into monarch migration and birthplaces. And all of this is right here along Swepco Lake. This is some of the different flower varieties that you can see here too. I don't know if you guys can tell, but there's probably about 20 geese out there. There's two groups.
Oh my goodness.
And this is Swepco Lake. I didn't notice this at first, but there's actually 3 observation places right here at the end of this cove. So the trail goes on over to that other pavilion that was over there. But this is the major pavilion, and all of them so far that I've seen, they're ADA accessible. So some kind of cranes flying over there.